matter. Couple more blocks. What is this place? I guess this is it.
I can't think it looks like it's just a little story.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember Jonathan said that you have to get all the way to. Okay, go ahead first. I think it's the one on the left.
Probably.
I think it is. Ooh, we're right here. Hopefully we don't have to wait too long.
Of course it will be made.
Video because they love these people vlogging. Americans are vlogging.
Hello.
Hi, good evening. Welcome
Hello.
to House of Lechon. Just for 2 packs, sir, ma'am. Ma'am, sir, it's only outside available for now. Okay?
Do you or
Inside is waiting, ma'am.
oh okay, yeah, that's fine.
Hi, good evening.
오징어 달기 두 개면.
How long is the wait for the inside?
Ma'am,
Sean, put it under Sean, please. Let's look at the menu so we know what we wanted.
thank you. Have a
Thank you.
Barbecue.
Yeah, I don't think we need more of this unit. We need to be nice. We're sweating. This looks really good. Their shake here is only 110. At the mobile is 180. Expensive. Oh my goodness, I'm sweating like crazy. Ooh, Oreo mango flow. You might like that. We are about to eat the famous lechon in Cebu. We are at House of Lechon. So excited. I literally didn't eat all day waiting for this. And it better be worth it because we walked 30 minutes, right? 45 minutes just to get here. So it better be worth it. Look how cute this rice is. This is 1 cup garlic rice, fried rice. Thank you. Thank you. Where's our lechon? I can't wait to dig in. Then we got scallops right here.
Cheese scallops.
Yeah. And we got canton quesadilla and cheese sticks. They all look really good. First bite. Let's see if it's worth it. That 45 minute wait. Here, try it.
Are you happy now?
Yep. So crispy. It's cooked perfectly. Ordering puto bumbong. It's dessert. I'm not sure what it is exactly, but I think it is actually, I'm not even gonna try because I'm not sure. But the bumbong is like really, really good. Perfect for Christmas time. Unsa ang puto bongbong gani? Unsa na nga mixture?
Huh?
Unsa na mixture ang puto bongbong? He wanted to know.
Same, kuhan ma'am, bibing karagapon.
Bibingka?
Kuhan na siya ma'am.
Kasaba ba? Or?
Hindi ma'am. Rice nagapon na siya ma'am, didali.
Oh, okay. Glutinous rice, no?
Glutinous o plain rice.
Okay, so it's glutinous rice.
Ay na, last na rin ang baliktad. Last baliktad na.
Bibingka na?
Oo ma'am.
Oh, dahil puto bongbong dahil no, katong purple na. Huwag mo bibingka. Okay lang.
Wala, namin may bibingka. Kuhan. Kami na na. Happy holidays!
Hello. Just camera. Careful.
I've never gotten into an escalator before or what?
Dog took you out.
It smells so good in here.
It does, right?
Such a big mall.
I don't know why I'm smelling grilled cheese.
I smell popcorn cheese.
Ito po ni Sud sa Teresis.
So big.
What's up, everybody?
So today we're in Cebu and we decided to check out the Ayala Center Mall. I hear that this is a really big mall. It's my first time here. I grew up in the Philippines, but this is my first time in Cebu, and so far I'm loving it. What do you think?
Yeah, so far it's a pretty big city. It's a crazy place. Tons of traffic, tons of people, but you know, a lot of different things to see. So we're gonna check out this mall, maybe get some food,
We're hungry.
and
We haven't eaten today.
one One of the missions is to get me some chanelas or some sandals, maybe some Crocs. I don't know, something, because my feet are always sweaty. All right, let's go.
Strawberry taro. Hi. You want to share? Because I don't want to get... are you okay with taro or you want me to get something else?
That's fine.
Isa ka po at this taro? Just the regular one. Or isa ka gamay ang inyong pinaka-junior. O ka ng junior lang. Like free ha? Oh, ano? Black pearl. Got my donuts again. Want me to hold the box?
Always making time for Dunkin'.
They probably have rice. Do you want to show the menu? They probably have rice here. I would be surprised. I don't think they will, but we'll see. Mercado in I2 Park, Cebu City. We're gonna have dinner slash lunch because I didn't eat today at all.
Can you hear all those birds?
Yeah, that's pretty. I bet you there are like thousands of them in that tree.